Okay, so this is a short tutorial on how to install the GerryChain package that you'll need for drawing maps. So what you'll need to do is go hit the Windows button and start typing in Anaconda. And then one of the things that will pop up is something called Anaconda Prompt, and you should click on that. And that will create a pop-up window like this. And what you'll need to do, we'll have a few steps. So type in Python and then -V. So this will tell you what version of Python you have installed on your PC. You'll then need to do another step. So let me pull up. So you're going to be installing GerryChain. Let me go to the website. Okay. So you take this text, copy it, and you will click here, and you will run this. It's quite possible that when you run this, it's going to say that there are some package conflicts and that the installation will fail. That happens to me all the time. So if this doesn't work, when you try to run this line of code, you'll need to type in something different. So I need to pull it up again. Okay, so what you're going to install, or sorry, what you're going to write is conda install Python equals, and then whatever your version of Python is. So 3.8.5 is mine. And then you'll do Anaconda equals custom. You'll run this. It'll do something. It may take a minute or two for this to run. Just be patient until, okay. So it wants to do something. I'm going to tell it Y for yes, and then I'll hit enter. It'll do some stuff. Okay, now it's done. So now I'll need to do one more thing. I'll again take this code, or this line, this command. Okay, and I'll run this. And this again will take a minute or two to install this package. It may ask you to update something. It'll say Y/no, and you'll just say Y for yes. Hit enter. Okay, it seems to have worked in my case. So then the last thing you'll want to do is just check that the install worked properly. So open up a new Jupyter notebook, and this is the command that you can run to check if things are working properly. So it's from GerryChain import graph, and the G in graph needs to be capitalized. And if it runs properly, if it gives a number over here, then you should be good and you should be ready for the Network X4 tutorial that we'll do on Tuesday. If when you run this, it doesn't show some number, if it doesn't terminate, if it throws an error message, take a screenshot of it and email it to me, and I can try to help debug. All right, I'll see you all on Tuesday.